In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front bumper on your Kia Soul. It's located in front of the car. I'm going to use a 10mm socket. Take out this bolt on this side and the one on the other side. Next, we're going to take out these plastic grommets. I'm going to see if it comes out. Well, that's good. All right, a good way to get these out is put a little pressure on the bottom, underneath, and then they'll come right out. Next, you're going to do these. Once you get those out, you could take this off. If your vehicle had an under tray, remove that first. And then we're going to remove this and work our way down. Some of the parts on this vehicle are missing also, so. I'm going to take this. This holds the fender cover. There's one on the other side as well. You should have a plastic tab here to remove, and one on the other side as well. Next, we're going to remove the other side. And also take this out if yours is not broken. All right, so now we're going to take out this screw. It connects the bumper to the body of the car and the wheel well. All right, so now we're going to take out this screw. So you're going to pull out and then forward. Do it on the other side as well. All right. Okay. All right. So there is a little tab underneath this piece, and you're going to pull up and out. Same on this side. Pull up and out. So now we're going to put our bumper on, reinstall it. It's helpful to have something nearby to help hold it up. Before you start snapping anything into place, make sure you are lined up everywhere. We're looking good. All right, so once you're lined up, you can go ahead and snap that in. work your way to the front and put the other side in. So right here and here, there is a little thing sticking up out of the bumper frame. You're going to make sure that your plastic is lined up with that stuff, and then we're going to work our way to the side. I'm going to have to give it a whack if it's been in an accident like ours. Otherwise, it should snap in nicely. All right, so now it's time to put our plastic pieces back. Put your hooks underneath. Now we're going to bolt it down with bolts on either side, here and here. Tighten up this side. So now we're going to put our plastic grommets in to the holes. You may have to replace some of these. Put the next 3 in. All right, so I'm going to attach these clips. My other one's broken, but we'll do our best to fasten this bottom part. All right, next we're going to do these. Alright, now we're going to put these in these holes. Make sure your fender liner is secure. Alright, so now we're going to put our screws to connect our bumper to the body. These are really important ones. Without these, your bumper might fall off. All right, now that you got your front bumper on, you can take it for a road test and listen for any vibrations or strange noises. Hopefully it's nice and quiet for you.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.